We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the VOLTRX shaker bottle, Gallium USB-C rechargeable electric protein mixer. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Use it to support the channel. The VOLTRX shaker bottle represents a significant leap in the evolution of protein mixers and meal replacement shake cups. Traditionally, users relied on shaker bottles equipped with a steel wire ball, which often resulted in clumping, noise, and difficult cleaning. The VOLTRX Gallium electric shaker bottle addresses these issues with its patented technology, offering a quiet, efficient, and easy-to-clean solution that has quickly become a favorite among fitness enthusiasts, busy professionals, and families alike. The first thing that stands out about the VOLTRX shaker bottle is its powerful 6,000 revolutions per minute motor, which, combined with a patent blade design and transmission structure, can dissolve protein powder into liquid within just 15 seconds. This rapid mixing capability ensures that users experience the smoothest, silkiest shakes possible, eliminating the frustration of powdery lumps or uneven blends. The bottle is not a blender and does not have sharp or steel blades. Instead, it features a plastic stirring mechanism designed specifically for mixing powders and liquids. This makes it safe for all ages and especially suitable for households with children. One of the most noteworthy aspects of the VOLTRX shaker bottle is its ability to blend squashed bananas and other soft ingredients into drinks, expanding its utility beyond protein shakes to include meal replacement shakes, coffee beverages, and creative recipes such as iced coffee with cream or honey. Many users have highlighted its versatility, noting that it is a staple in their kitchens for both daily nutrition and indulgent treats. The absence of sharp blades adds an extra layer of safety, making it a kid-friendly gadget that parents can trust. The bottle's design is both practical and user-friendly. It has a 24 ounces, 700 milliliters capacity, with markings up to 20 ounces, 600 milliliters, making it suitable for mixing up to 16 ounces, 480 milliliters of liquid, and 3 scoops of powder without feeling bulky. This size is ideal for even the most demanding users, such as bodybuilders or athletes who require larger servings. The bottle is constructed from BPA-free Triton material, ensuring durability and safety, and it features a reliable screw-on top that is both airtight and watertight. Users consistently report that the bottle does not leak even when tossed into gym bags or carried on the go, addressing a common pain point with traditional shaker bottles. Charging the VOLTRX shaker bottle is straightforward thanks to its USB-C port, which is protected by a rubber insert. The battery life is sufficient for multiple uses on a single charge, and the convenience of USB-C charging aligns with modern technology trends. Some users have expressed concerns about the longevity of the rubber insert, noting that it may wear down over time, but overall, the charging experience is positive and hassle-free. A standout feature of the VOLTRX shaker bottle is its ease of cleaning. Unlike traditional shaker bottles that can be difficult to scrub, especially around the wire ball and hard to reach corners, the VOLTRX bottle can be cleaned by simply adding water and a drop of dish soap, then running the mixer for 30 seconds. This self-cleaning action ensures that residue is thoroughly removed, and the base can be detached for deeper cleaning if necessary. The smooth plastic surfaces inside the bottle and lid prevent powders from sticking, further simplifying maintenance. Users appreciate that cleaning takes less than a minute, making it a practical choice for busy lifestyles. Durability is a recurring theme in user reviews. While the VOLTRX shaker bottle is praised for its functionality and convenience, some users note that the build quality, particularly in the base and motor, could be improved. The battery is not officially designed to be user replaceable, and the motor is described as adequate but not robust. However, an interesting discovery by several users is that the base contains a standard 18650 lithium-ion battery, which can be accessed by removing the rubber feet and unscrewing the base. This means that, with some technical know-how or assistance from a repair shop, the battery can be replaced, extending the life of the bottle beyond initial expectations. This unofficial repairability is a significant advantage for those who value sustainability and long-term use. The VOLTRX shaker bottle excels at its primary function, mixing powders into liquids quickly and thoroughly. It is not intended to replace a full-size blender and cannot handle hard ingredients like ice or whole fruits. For users seeking a device to blend smoothies with solid ingredients, a traditional blender remains necessary. However, for protein shakes, meal replacements, coffee beverages, and other powder-based drinks, the VOLTRX bottle delivers consistent, high-quality results with minimal effort. User experiences highlight several key benefits. The bottle's leak-proof design is a major selling point, especially for athletes and commuters who need to carry their drinks in bags without worrying about spills. The auto-mix feature allows users to multitask, freeing up time during busy mornings or post-workout routines. The carry handle is sturdy and comfortable, adding to the bottle's portability. The overall aesthetic is modern and appealing, with a variety of colors available to suit personal preferences. On the downside, some users wish the bottle were made of metal or a more robust material to enable blending of harder ingredients. The reliance on plastic for the mixing mechanism limits its versatility to softer ingredients and powders. Additionally, while the electronics are IPX5 certified for water resistance, users are advised to avoid getting the base wet during cleaning to protect the internal components. The need for careful handling during washing is a minor inconvenience compared to the benefits, but it is worth noting for potential buyers. The VOLTRX shaker bottle has garnered a strong following for its simplicity, efficiency, and value. It is often compared to competing products like the ProMix, with users favoring the VOLTRX for its classic screw-on cap, lack of unnecessary features, and straightforward operation. The price point is competitive, offering advanced mixing technology at a cost similar to or lower than traditional shaker bottles with wire balls. This makes it an attractive option for anyone looking to upgrade their drink preparation routine without breaking the bank. In summary, the VOLTRX shaker bottle, gallium USB-C rechargeable electric protein mixer, stands out as a practical, innovative, and user-friendly solution for mixing protein powders and meal replacement shakes. Its powerful motor, rapid mixing, leak-proof design, and easy cleaning make it a must-have gadget for fitness enthusiasts, busy professionals, and families. The unofficial repairability of the battery adds to its appeal for those who value sustainability. While it is not suitable for blending hard ingredients, it excels at its intended purpose and offers excellent value for the price. If you are looking for a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use electric shaker bottle, the VOLTRX Gallium is highly recommended. Remember, if you have tried this product, please share your experience in the comments to help others. The link to the product is in the description. Use it to support the channel.